what we can see is that there's an involuted nail, and it was a little bit uncomfortable, but not uncomfortable now. But because it's involuted, we really want to cut that out and make it a little bit more presentable looking, and make it a little bit more comfortable too. So we're just gonna snip that. Okay, relax your toe for me. Wiggle, 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 jelly baby, like that. Good. It might be worthwhile to take a sample of this nail to your doctor to check if there's any fungal infection or anything in it, because it's quite discolored.